As an artist who likes to keep my paintings full of color, I have found that using color for shadows rather than grays is a great way to keep my paintings lively and joyful. I have just completed a short tutorial on Skillshare giving practical examples of how to incorporate color into your shadows. I'll share tips about using local color rather than black to darken your shadows and how to bring up a color to keep everything fresh. There are times when neutrals are needed, and I'll give you some color wheel tricks to make beautiful neutrals without using grays made from black and white. There'll be lots of visual examples to help keep this tutorial engaging and practical. If you'd like to learn more about how you can incorporate color into your shadows, I'll put a link in the description box below. Once you join Skillshare, you'll also have access to 4 of my full-length painting tutorials, along with many other wonderful artists. I'd love for you to check out my paintings at VictoriaHagamanArt. Part of the proceeds go to build water wells. 2 wells have been dug, and I'm on my way to a third. If you will hit the subscribe button, you'll make sure you don't miss my next tutorial.